Hey there, so I wanted to actually make a little video for you. I'm going to share my screen on how to use the Team Beachbody Share-A-Cart. So first of all, the first thing you do is you go up into your bar and you just type in teambeachbody.com, and that will take you to this screen. And then you'll see a spot up here where you can sign in. So you're going to log in with your coach ID and your password. Mine is already saved, so I'm just going to hit sign in. Then you go over to the coach tab and you'll see that it has a drop-down menu, and you have your coach office, your My Challenge tracker, and then here is Share-A-Cart. So you click on Share-A-Cart, and this is made signing customers and coaches so much easier. You go to new enroll/order, and then you enter in their email address. So sue@sue.org. And this is going to be Sue Smith, and she's in the United States. You can also toggle to go to Canada. You can toggle for language as well. You can enroll as a customer or you can enroll as a coach. And then you click, yes, I have permission to enter this enrollee's personal information. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and click enroll coach. So yes, I have permission, and continue. So this is after you have already talked to your person, whether it be through private message or it's through a phone conversation or in person. So you want to discuss the options with them before you get to this point. So Sue and I have discussed that she wants to sign up as a coach with a challenge pack. So I'm going to click on challenge pack options. And you will see that it comes up with the most popular items are here at the top. So she's going to enroll with the Beachbody On Demand and Shakeology Challenge Pack. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the very first one. And as you scroll down below, you'll see that there are different options. So you can, in the very first one is the most popular one, Annual All Access Beachbody On Demand and Shakeology Challenge Pack. CP is for Challenge Pack. If they already have Shakeology and they want to get the on-demand and performance pack, that's right here. And you can go through and see the different options as you go left and right. So I'm just going to click on this basic pack. And she wants to sign up for the coach discount. So it shows you the price, it's $160. And then we have already discussed the Shakeology options. So I'm going to click down here. She wants to try a combo flavor box because this is their first time of doing a challenge group with us. So she wants to try several different flavors. So once I click on combo flavor box, then it gives you all the different options. So she wants to do the chocolate, vanilla, and cafe latte vegan. So I'm going to do the, you see there's a barista. It tells you chocolate, cafe latte, and vanilla, but this is the whey combo. She wants the vegan, so I'm gonna go down here to barista, vegan combo. And then just click add to cart. So give it a minute, and it will show you that it is created for Sue Smith. Here is her email address, and it will also come up with her challenge pack option here. You can read in the description what the Shakeology option that she had, and then if she is signed up as a coach, it will also give her a business starter kit. So this is usually $40. As you can see, when you do it with the challenge pack, it has no cost. So at this point, you would hit send email. If this is all correct, you just hit send email. If it's not, you can go back and edit. And if you want to continue shopping and add something else onto her pack, maybe she wants an extra set of portion control containers. So then you can go into, let's see, is it gear or nutrition and supplements? See, we have all the gear options here. Agility markers. Okay, so it's not in there. I'm going to go into nutrition and supplements. And you can see all the supplements that can be added on in here. And I love that they have the pictures here that you can see exactly what you're looking for. Performance packs, 3-day refresh. Here we go, fixate, portion, fix. So you can get the cookbook with the containers or just the 7-piece portion kits. Let's say this is what she wants, is just another set of containers. All right, so I'm going to add that to the cart. All right, so there you go. And then I can send the email that's going to have all the information we talked about. And then she will get an email on her end that says, this is what you all discussed. She just has to confirm and enter payment at that point. So it's very, very easy. I hope that you can use this on a regular basis because it has really saved me time in making sure that our customers and coaches are getting exactly what they are looking for. This is a new website, so sometimes it can be a little tricky if you've never done it before. So I love to set up my new coaches and customers with exactly what we spoke about so that there are no mistakes happening there. So I hope this helps you guys. That's how you do the Team Beachbody Share-A-Cart.